Hi guys, this is Mike here at Mac Observer, and today I'll show you how to downgrade from iOS 17 beta to iOS 16 with no data loss. Now that the excitement over the upcoming iOS 17 has died down, most of those who have downloaded the iOS version are now contemplating downgrading their iPhones to iOS 16. It's understandable since iOS 17 is a bit buggy and unstable, simply because by default, that's how beta OS is supposed to be. So, whether you downloaded iOS 17 beta from Apple's developer program or software beta program, see below for the steps on how to downgrade from iOS 17. In case you've also downloaded and installed watchOS 10 on your Apple Watch, here's some bad news. You won't be able to pair it with your iPhone after you revert it to iOS 16. To pair it again, you must also downgrade watchOS 10 to watchOS 9. Unfortunately, unlike the iPhone, there's no way to downgrade from watchOS 10 on your own. You have to bring your Apple Watch to Apple to do so. Still, want to downgrade your iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 16? Then proceed with the steps below. The first thing you need to do before you downgrade from iOS 17 is to reboot your iPhone into recovery mode. If you're using iPhone XS or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume up button. And then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now that you know how to put your iPhone into recovery mode, you may proceed with the steps below to downgrade your iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 16. Follow the steps below to downgrade your iPhone from iOS 17 beta to iOS 16. Launch the Finder app on your Mac. Connect your iPhone to your Mac using the Lightning cable. Wait for a pop-up window asking if you want to restore your iPhone, then click Restore. This will wipe out your device, and the latest public release of iOS will be installed. In this case, it will be the latest release of iOS 16. The process may take some time since your iPhone will be reset and restored to factory settings. Afterward, your iPhone will download iOS and install it on your device. If you have backed up your device prior to installing iOS 17 beta, you may choose to restore it from the backup instead. Now here's a simpler process of reverting your iPhone to the latest public release of iOS from iOS 17. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on General Software Update. Tap on the iOS 17 beta profile. Tap Off. Restart your iPhone. And that's it. Once your iPhone restarted, it will reinstall iOS 16. Thankfully, I have yet to notice any significant slowdown in my iPhone after I installed iOS 17 developer beta. The new features are all working so well since I installed the beta, but I understand that this whole process of testing beta iOS is different for every user. So, if you've had your dose of what's coming to iOS 17 and want to revert to the latest public release of iOS for whatever reasons, then the process couldn't be simpler enough. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Mac Observer for more intuitive guides, tips, and Apple news. This is Mike here. See you next time.